Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Clips. In this video, we bring you 10 easy English conversations. We will talk about everyday topics like school life, homework, exams, teachers, office work, your boss, coworkers, working from home, asking for a day off, and salary. These conversations will help you practice English step by step. Listen carefully, speak slowly, and enjoy learning with us. Let's get started. Talking about school life.
Hi, Emily. How is school today?
Hi, Michael. School is good today.
That's nice to hear. Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school very much.
What do you like about it?
I like my classmates and my teachers.
That sounds great. Is your school big?
Yes, it is big and clean.
How many classes do you have?
I have 5 classes every day.
Wow, that is a lot.
Yes, but I enjoy learning.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English the most.
Really? That's perfect.
Yes, English is fun and useful.
Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I have many good friends.
Do you study together?
Yes, we study and talk together.
That helps a lot.
Yes, it makes school easier.
Do you like school life?
Yes, I like it every day.
That's a good attitude.
Thank you, Michael.
Do you feel happy at school?
Yes, I feel happy and safe.
That is important.
Yes, very important.
Do you learn new things every day?
Yes, I learned something new.
That's wonderful.
Learning is exciting.
I agree with you.
School helps me grow.
You are doing great.
Thank you so much.
Keep going.
I will. Talking about homework.
Hi, Emily. Do you have homework today?
Yes, I have some homework.
What homework do you have?
I have English and math homework.
Is it hard?
Not very hard, just long.
Long homework can be tiring.
Yes, a little bit.
When do you do your homework?
I do it after school.
Do you do it alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
That's a good idea.
Yes, friends help me.
Do you like homework?
Not always, to be honest,
I understand.
but it helps me learn.
That's true.
I try my best every day.
That's important.
Do you help students with homework?
Yes, I like to help.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you.
Do teachers check homework?
Yes, they check it carefully.
That makes me careful too.
Good thinking.
I want good results.
You will get them.
Thank you for support.
You are welcome.
Homework is part of school life.
Yes, it is.
I will finish it today.
Great plan.
Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Talking about exams. Emily, do you have exams soon?
Yes, exams are next week.
How do you feel?
I feel a little nervous.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, many students feel that way.
That makes me feel better.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study in the evening.
That's a good habit.
I try to stay calm.
Calm is important.
I review my notes.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, when I don't understand.
That's very smart.
Thank you.
Which exam is hard for you?
Math is a little hard.
Practice helps a lot.
Yes, I practice daily.
Great job.
I hope I do well.
You will.
I hope so.
Do you sleep well before exams?
Yes, I try to sleep early.
That helps your mind.
Yes, I feel fresh.
Believe in yourself.
I will try.
You are prepared.
Thank you for saying that.
Exams are just a test.
Yes, not life.
Exactly.
I feel stronger now.
Good to hear.
Let's do our best.
Talking about teachers. Emily, do you like your teachers?
Yes, most of them.
Why do you like them?
They are kind and helpful.
That's great.
My English teacher is very friendly.
What does she do in class?
She explains slowly.
That is good for learning.
Yes, I understand better.
Are teachers strict?
A little, but fair.
Fair teachers are good.
Yes, I agree.
Do teachers help after class?
Yes, they answer questions.
That shows they care.
Yes, they care about students.
Do you respect your teachers?
Yes, very much.
Respect is important.
Teachers work very hard.
That's true.
I say thank you to them.
They like that.
I think so.
Do you want to be a teacher?
Maybe in the future.
That would be nice.
I like helping people.
Teachers help a lot.
Yes, every day.
Good teachers change lives.
I believe that.
You have good teachers.
Yes, I am lucky.
That's wonderful.
I am thankful.
Keep learning.
I will.
Talking about office work. Hi, Emily. How is your office work today?
Hi, Michael. It is busy today.
Busy days can be tiring.
Yes, but I like working.
What do you do in your office?
I write emails and make reports.
That sounds important.
Yes, I try to do my best.
Do you like your office?
Yes, it is comfortable.
Do you work with many people?
Yes, I work with 5 coworkers.
Are they nice?
Yes, very friendly.
That helps a lot.
Yes, we help each other.
Do you have a lot of work?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you like challenges?
Yes, challenges make work fun.
That's a good attitude.
Thank you.
Do you drink coffee at work?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning.
That helps energy.
Yes, very much.
Do you have lunch at the office?
Yes, we eat together.
That is nice.
We talk and laugh too.
Do you enjoy teamwork?
Yes, teamwork is helpful.
Do you finish your work on time?
Yes, I try very hard.
That's great.
Thank you, Michael.
Do you like office meetings?
Not always.
Meetings can be long.
Yes, but they are useful.
Do you like learning new things at work?
Yes, I learn something every day.
That's wonderful.
Work makes me confident.
Keep it up. Talking about your boss. Emily, how is your boss?
Hi, Michael. My boss is kind.
That is nice.
Yes, he helps me a lot.
Is he strict sometimes?
Sometimes, but fair.
Fair bosses are good.
Yes, very good.
Does your boss give advice?
Yes, he gives advice every day.
Do you follow his advice?
Yes, it helps me work better.
Do you like his style?
Yes, he is friendly and clear.
That is important.
Yes, I understand tasks easily.
Does he give feedback?
Yes, he tells me what is good and what to improve.
That's useful.
Yes, it helps me grow.
Is he strict about deadlines?
Yes, but I understand.
Deadlines are important.
Yes, very important.
Does he encourage you?
Yes, he always motivates me.
That makes work better.
Yes, I feel confident.
Do you have meetings with him?
Yes, weekly meetings.
Are they helpful?
Yes, we discuss work and ideas.
Do you ask questions freely?
Yes, he listens carefully.
That is very good.
I feel lucky.
You have a supportive boss.
Yes, it is important for work.
Do you want to be like him one day?
Yes, a kind and fair leader.
That's a good goal.
Thank you, Michael.
You are welcome.
I enjoy working with him.
Keep learning from him. Talking about coworkers. Emily, who are your coworkers?
Hi, Michael. I work with 5 people.
Are they friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Do you help each other?
Yes, we work as a team.
That is great.
Yes, teamwork is fun.
Do you have lunch together?
Yes, we eat and chat.
That is nice.
We laugh a lot too.
Do you share work ideas?
Yes, we share ideas every day.
Does that help work?
Yes, it makes work easier.
Do you like learning from coworkers?
Yes, they teach me new things.
That is important.
Yes, learning is good.
Are there any problems sometimes?
Sometimes, small problems.
Do you solve them together?
Yes, we talk and fix them.
That is smart.
Yes, teamwork works.
Do you enjoy office work with them?
Yes, very much.
That makes work fun.
Yes, it feels happy.
Do you plan events together?
Yes, birthdays and parties.
That is exciting.
Yes, very exciting.
Do you help each other when busy?
Yes, we share tasks.
That is good teamwork.
Yes, it makes work lighter.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, I like them very much.
That is important for happiness.
Yes, happy work is good work.
Keep supporting each other.
We will.
Perfect. Talking about working from home. Emily, do you work from home sometimes?
Yes, I work from home 2 days a week.
How is it different?
It is quiet and comfortable.
Do you miss the office?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you do at home?
I write emails and join online meetings.
Do you like online meetings?
Yes, but not always.
Are there distractions?
Yes, sometimes kids or noise.
Ha, that can happen.
Yes, I try to focus.
Do you like your workspace at home?
Yes, it is tidy and bright.
That helps concentration.
Yes, very much.
Do you work with a schedule?
Yes, I plan tasks carefully.
That is smart.
Yes, it helps me finish work.
Do you communicate with coworkers online?
Yes, chat and emails.
That is important.
Yes, teamwork continues.
Do you feel relaxed at home?
Yes, but I miss office friends.
Ha, that is normal.
Yes, I talk online with them.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I stretch and drink coffee.
Good. Breaks help energy.
Yes, very helpful.
Do you like work from home or office more?
Both are good in different ways.
That is true.
Balance is important.
Yes, balance makes happy work.
I agree.
Keep working smart.
I will.
Great job.
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome. Asking for a day off. Emily, do you need a day off?
Yes, I want a day off next week.
Why do you need it?
I want to rest and relax.
That's good.
I feel a little tired.
Do you ask your boss?
Yes, I will ask today.
How will you ask politely?
I will say, "Can I take a day off, please?"
Perfect. Very polite.
Thank you.
Will he say yes?
I hope so.
Do you explain the reason?
Yes, I will.
That helps.
I say, "I need to rest and manage personal work."
Good reason.
Yes, honest reason.
Do you plan your work before?
Yes, I finish important tasks.
That is very smart.
Thank you.
Do you tell coworkers?
Yes, I inform them.
That is polite.
Yes, teamwork is important.
Do you take 1 day or 2?
Just one day.
Good choice.
I want a full rest.
Do you plan activities for that day?
Yes, I want to read and relax.
That is perfect.
I'm excited.
Rest makes you strong.
Yes, I will feel fresh.
Your boss will understand.
I hope so.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all.
Great.
Thank you, Michael.
You are welcome. Talking about salary. Simple. Emily, do you talk about your salary?
Hi, Michael. Yes, sometimes.
Do you like your salary?
Yes, it is enough for me.
That is good.
I am happy with it.
Do you get it monthly?
Yes, every month.
Do you save some money?
Yes, I save a little.
That is smart.
Thank you.
Do you pay bills from it?
Yes, rent and food.
That is important.
Yes, I manage carefully.
Do you get bonuses?
Sometimes, yes.
That is nice.
Yes, very nice.
Do you plan your salary?
Yes, I make a small plan.
Good idea.
Yes, it helps me save.
Do you discuss salary with coworkers?
Not always, only sometimes.
That is safe.
Yes, private topic.
Are you satisfied with your work?
Yes, very satisfied.
That is important.
Yes, happiness is more than money.
True.
But salary is helpful.
Yes, it helps life.
I save, spend, and plan.
That's smart.
Thank you.
Do you want a higher salary?
Yes, in future.
That is a good goal.
I will work hard.
That's perfect.
Thank you, Michael.
You are welcome.